Oh, we're here. So which department do we want?
The sports department. Look, it's here on the ground floor. I want to buy my brother a present for his birthday. He loves sports.
What do you want to buy him?
Well, he wants a tennis racket, but that's a bit expensive for me. My sister Stacey wants to buy him a basketball, so I think I'm going to buy him a baseball cap.
Good idea. How about this one? It's nice, but it's £17.
OK, well let's see. I've got £20, but I need £5 to buy a birthday card and wrapping paper. So I have £15. Hey, this green one's nice, and I have enough money for it.
Great. Look, the cash desk's over there. Pay, and then I want to buy a DVD. Are there DVDs in the music department?
No, I bought a DVD here last month, and they're in the electrical department on the first floor next to the book department. Which DVD do you want?
It's called 3030 BC.
Oh, I don't know it.
Well, let's be quick. We're meeting Harry at 1 o'clock, and it's 5 to 1 now.
No, Harry's got a piano lesson until 1 o'clock, remember? He's meeting us after that, in 1 hour.
Yes, I remember now.